have a very exciting video because once again, it is Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box time. This time it is the Valentine's Day edition, and today I have the largest box, which I actually came prepared with information in my head today. Well, it's not in my head, I wrote it down. This is the Supreme box, so it is supposed to have $285 value worth of products inside. I paid $145. It contains 12 items, and I saw on Trend Mood's page, there was like a little notation that said 5 exclusive items. How I interpret that is there are going to be 5 items which are only going to be able to be gotten through this box if you were one of the lucky ones to be able to order this. I did also order the medium size one. I think that was called premium, but it has not arrived to me yet. This one came super duper fast. I think faster than any other Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box that I have ever purchased before. So I am very, very excited. So we're gonna go ahead and slice it open and see what's inside. I'm not sure how many people have already done this unboxing. I've kind of tried to not be that active on viewing like Instagram and stuff the past couple days because I hate when I get spoilers. Like, I don't want to know what is in this box. I want it to be a complete surprise. You guys have to let me know, what do you think about my wig? I know that it looks like supremely fake probably, but I don't know. I'm like testing out what kind of look I want to do for Valentine's Day. This screams like I'm a red hot demon, fresh from hell, let's party. And also it's Valentine's Day. All right, reaching in the box. Oh, I'm grasping something already. What is this? What is it? What? Ooh! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think that this is one of the exclusive items because I know he just launched these cute little bags as merch, but I don't think that this was a colorway that you could purchase. And I'm honestly kind of really into this burgundy color lately because I'm not gonna lie, it reminds me of the Joker, the new Joker, the fresh Joker. Now my favorite Joker, like this nice burgundy color. These are actually so cute, and I personally could see myself using this a lot for like my little vlogging camera and stuff. I could so easily just fit like a little camera and a little tripod in there, take it on my way. So the strap has custom Jeffree, it's like a webbing is what this kind of material is called. And then we have a little front zipper pocket, nice and roomy. And then this whole interior pocket, nice and roomy. And then it has the little Jeffree Star logo sewn on the back. So off to a good start. Let's just reach in again. Ooh, it feels clothy. Oh my god, that is so cute. So it is a tote bag. I'm thinking this is gonna be another exclusive item for this box. So it's just a cute little black fabric tote bag. I used to love to carry bags like this when I was going to college. It was so easy to just like shove my textbooks and notebooks inside of. So I thought that this design was super cute. I saw it on a hoodie, I think, and it is just the little conversation hearts with all sorts of Jeffree sayings on it. So once again, that is very cute. Okay, tossing off some tissue paper. Let's see what this is. We have a nice tissue paper bundle. It's wrapped in baby blue. I think it's reading through on the camera like maybe paler, like white, I don't know, but it is like a light robin's egg blue. Let's get very fancy. So, ooh, oh my gosh, I feel like I have not seen this in such a long time. So this is the Brain Freeze Pro Frost palette, and I don't remember when this item first came out. I almost want to say it was part of the Thirsty collection, which I know a lot of people are bummed out because Thirsty is going to be discontinued forever. I just saw him say that on Twitter, I think. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm just going to open it, but I'm going to be doing some giveaways for you guys because I am fortunate enough to have these products in my collection already. So I am going to give this to a lucky Swamp family member out there. I have been doing my giveaways lately on my text messaging number. So if you haven't texted me already, text me now, join the Sassy Gator hotline. I have been doing little giveaways on there, but I want to do more. It was a lot of fun. You guys really seem to like that, so be sure and text me. Okay, up next, I once again see something all bundled in this beautiful bright blue paper. Oh my gosh, okay. I thought I knew what this was, and you guys, I love this palette so much. I can't even begin to describe it. I was a person, I never really thought I could do blue eyeshadow because I have blue eyes, obviously. I used to do blue eyeshadow when I was a kid, and then I don't think I did blue eyeshadow again until this palette came out. And let me tell you, I did it a couple times and I loved it. So I am glad to have this one back. I have super sensitive eyes, so unfortunately, like, I feel like I have to swap out my makeup like more frequently than probably any other normal or sane person would. So I am very happy to keep this one in my stash for when I'm not gonna be able to use my older one anymore. But if you guys have not picked this one up yet, I'm honestly scared he's gonna discontinue this one because it's so amazing. Okay. Moving on, I see a couple more things that I'm definitely gonna put in a giveaway for you guys. We have, I think that this is an exclusive colorway of the Jeffree Star Pop Socket. So it's this cute like starburst pink color. And let me tell you guys, I just got a pop socket the other day. It's life-changing. If you don't have a pop socket, hashtag not sponsored, you gotta get a pop socket. Also, a lot of people have been asking about my phone case setup, so I'll go ahead and tell you guys. My case is from Casemate. They have these like neon cases in a couple of different shades. They have like a turquoise one, a yellow one, I think, and then this pink and purple one. And the pop socket I just got from Amazon. I think I typed in like 3D jewel. It made me think of a treasure troll, honestly. Anyway, moving on. I've just gotten a lot of questions about that, so I thought, hey, let's actually answer some questions. Okay, up next is definitely gonna be something in a giveaway for you guys, because y'all know I'm not too much into gloss. I have tested these before. They are gorgeous, but gloss is just not my thing. So this is in the shade Ice Cold. I'm gonna see if I can actually get it out. You guys, I never wear fake nails, and today I like wanted to complete my look and press on some press-on nails. But I'm like struggling to open this. I don't want to tear open the packaging. It's in the shade Ice Cold, which I believe is the blue shade. Oh my God. Ooh, we have another. Okay, I have to open this just because I think that this is one of the exclusive products. So this is a gloss in the shade Soft Core Sparkle, but I'm just assuming because it is in this gorgeous like red and pink packaging, I think this is one of the exclusive Valentine's Day items. So I might go ahead and apply this. What would you guys think of that? I'm sure you wouldn't be shocked. That's what most people do with lip gloss. Ew. Okay, I really love this. You know what? I should give it another shot, honestly, because when he and Shane came out with the Shane Glossin gloss, I actually really did like the texture of that product. That was just a clear gloss, but you know what? We'll just open this next because I see a Jeffree Star mirror in here, and I wonder if it really is going to be one of the new Jeffree Star approved mirrors. I thought that those were like some of the cutest mirror designs he's ever come out with, besides the, I never got that one either, is the Bomb Pop. You guys know, like the ice cream. It looks like, oh, I should have gotten that one. I think I just saw my friend Haley post the other day that people are selling those for like $1,000 because they're so rare. But anyway, I don't know if you guys have seen, actually, I'll just open the box and we'll see if that's what this is. Oh Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. So it is one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors, but it's like this metallic rose pink shade. Oh my god, I love it so much. So it's like the little Jeffree Star approved seal. How cute is that? I always love the Jeffree mirrors so much. I feel like you get so much like mirror space to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gloss in Soft Core Sparkle. So this is what it looks like on the wand. Oh my gosh. In the world of glosses, I could see myself more comfortably wearing Jeffree Star more than other brands because it is less tacky. I feel like you definitely can layer it on, like if you just want a light layer and you really don't want like any tackiness at all. You can do that. If you start to layer it on a little thicker, like I have it on now, so you guys could see more of the color and the sparkle, it does start to feel a little bit more tacky, like a normal gloss. I don't know, I'm just kind of like a wild person. Like wherever I go, I have a lot of wind on my face. I'm always driving with like the windows down. So like my hair is always like flopping into my lips. So I feel like that's why on a whole, I'm just too wild and weird to wear gloss. I actually really like the color. I feel like it goes well with my look today. Okay, on to, oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't had this in forever. And I feel like this is definitely one of my favorite flavors of lip scrub. So these are vegan and edible. So that's why I say flavor. I don't think I'd eat like a whole like spoonful of it. Like, I missed breakfast. Let me eat this root beer lip scrub. But it is just nice to, you know, put a little on, rub it in, and then like just lick your lips and not have to worry about it. Oh my god, it smells just like root beer. And Lord knows, I always need a lip scrub because my lips are always crusty and dusty, my god. Okay, up next is one of the classic velour liquid lipstick shades in Doll Parts. This is a very lovely pink shade. Once again, I feel like this is very much like the Halloween mystery boxes where everything was super color coordinated to go with the Valentine's Day theme. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with this shade. I think it was pretty much one of the original Jeffree Star liquid lipstick shades, although I feel like with this white cap, I think that this was like a repackage for one of the holiday launches. Let me know. I think he has reissued this color maybe 3 times. All right, up next we have, oh my god, I love this one. I'm actually using Red Rum as my red liquid eyeliner today. This is another velour liquid lipstick that I love to use not only on my lips but on my eyes as well. I think that this one came out last year. It's in the shade Restraints. It's this very beautiful gunmetal silvery shade. Let me go ahead and take it out so you guys can see. I really love to use these as eyeliners so much. I feel like you can get like very vibrant, very opaque eyeliners with using these. And sometimes in like weird shades, like you don't really see like bright blood red eyeliner very often. Ooh, I think we have another exclusive product. This is actually the last product in the box. So this is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Romeo, which is very adorable for Valentine's Day. So let's go ahead, pop this out and take a swatch. Look at that beautiful pink shade. You guys have to let me know. No scent this time. Sometimes his lip products are root beer scented and sometimes they're unscented. This is kind of a beautiful carnation, almost like light watermelon pink. So this, like I said, is the last product here in our box. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and write everything down. I can't wait to see what the value of all of the items are in our box. And then I'll be right back for the exciting conclusion. The calculations are in. First up is the mirror, which is worth $30. Also, I learned that this shade is called Baby Pink Chrome and it's still available. So if you like it, you can get one too. And I was right, this is one of the exclusive items. This is $35. This colorway was not available for individual purchase, but there's three other colorways that are. The tote bag was another exclusive item. This was not listed on the website, so I kind of just had to make up a value. So I put this would be $25. I could see it selling for that. Next is the Yummy Root Beer Lip Scrub, and these are $12. Then we have the two lip glosses, which were $18 a piece. We have the three liquid lipstick shades, which are also $18 a piece. Then we have the pop socket, which is not for sale on the website, but I think that this is around $10 to $15. I wrote down 10. We have planes in the sky. Last but not least, two more of the big ticket items is the Brain Freeze Skin Frost palette, which is worth $40, and the Blue Blood palette, which is $52. So definitely some high ticket dollar items here. So the exclusive items were the tote bag, the pop socket, the bag, the gloss in, I can never remember what this is called, Softcore Sparkle, and the liquid lipstick shade in Romeo. So two exclusive cosmetic products and three exclusive like merch products. I would ask, but I know what the answer is gonna be because every time I know I have another mystery box coming and I ask if you guys wanna see that one too when it comes in the mail, the answer is always yes. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully it comes in very soon as well and I can get it up before Valentine's Day. So as always, I'd love to know what you guys think about all the items I received today. Let me know if you guys have seen other people unboxing this Supreme box on YouTube. Does it look like they got the same items I did or different items? I am excited to hear what you guys think. I think that this one is really awesome. Definitely one of my favorite mystery boxes I've ever gotten. Probably right behind the Halloween one. I don't think that there's just nothing I love in life more than Halloween stuff. So I feel like that's why that one will always be my favorite, but this one is amazing and I'm really into doing like red and pink makeup a lot, so I think that that's why I'm like super excited about these things as well. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me and watching and spending a little time. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye!